Oh my god, who is she? I colored my hair pink yesterday. Not sure if I like it or I hate it. I think it turned out so vibrant and I wasn't expecting it. But if you hate it, don't you worry, because it's gonna fade with a couple of shampoos, so... Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna be unboxing the mystery box from Roccabox. Basically a long time ago I filmed 2 videos when I was reviewing beauty subscription boxes, and I wanted to do Roccabox as well, but then I saw that those 2 videos kind of flopped, so I decided not to do it. But I was still subscribed to a Roccabox email list, and so they used to send me a couple of them, and the most recent one was about this box, which was only £10, and they offered me free shipping. So I thought, you know what, I actually really enjoy the product that I got with the other boxes. As you can tell, I haven't opened the other packaging yet because I know that I'm super nosy, so I wanted to do this on camera so I can show you guys my proper reaction. This one should be an easy one to open, but... oh guys, so I see the pink box everyone talks about. This is how it looks like. Nothing too exciting about the packaging itself. It's a really pretty color, but you guys saw me unboxing the other ones and I still have those boxes because like they're just so gorgeous and you can just utilize them for like anything else, so that's definitely a con. But let's just dive into it, shall we? Okay, I'm gonna give you guys the first look. Hey, you like what you see in the box and you love what else Roccabox has to offer. Roccabox a beauty subscription for just £10 a month. I'm quite excited, so I'm gonna start off with Seaweed Bio Repair Treatment Mask, Japanese Wakame Seaweed and Shea Butter. I generally like a good face mask. I mean, I don't know if this is good, but I'm really into face mask in general. I mean, it smells good. I'm quite excited to give that a go. Soap Dew Body Wash, Vanilla Pods. I'm confused. Oh yeah, wait. Okay, now that it's in my hand, I kind of smell the vanilla. It's a cute travel size, although we can't really go anywhere right now, but yeah, I like this one. I love vanilla flavored things. Then next up is... oh my god, you guys, I feel like I don't even use them. My hands don't tend to be dehydrated that much. I have tons of hand cream. So here we go. Oh, wait. Never mind. I'll just take back everything that I said, because this is apparently a moisturizer, I'm assuming for your face, not your hands, but the packaging just confused me honestly, because it definitely looks like a hand cream. But oh my god, no way. If you guys saw my other videos, you would know that I got this product in one of them as well. And spoiler alert, I freaking love it. I wanted to repurchase it, so I'm super excited I actually got it. And this one is called Balance Me, and it's a vitamin C repair serum. Oh my god, I'm super excited. Yes. Okay, next up, Mont Rose Natural Himalayan Rose Pink Salt. Assuming you do a bath with it, right? I love pink, you guys know that, you can tell that. Not sure when I'll use this baby, unless I'm in a sort of hotel room with a bathtub, which, like I said, it's definitely not something that I'm planning to be on for now. It's also like a good amount, it's like 250 grams, so that is quite a lot. There's just 2 more products left. The next one I think is a sample, and it's Banana Bright Vitamin C Serum. And then I got, ooh, a lipstick, I think. What brand is this? It doesn't really say anything. Ooh. Oh my god. It's really pretty. I think I'm gonna like this one. So, except for some confetti, I don't know why I did that. So this was pretty much everything that was in my mystery box. Not gonna lie, I probably wouldn't purchase most of them, but then I feel like for £10 is actually a great value because I got quite a few things. I'm quite excited to try most of them. I already know that I love the serum. I think I'm also gonna love the lipstick, and super excited for the face mask because, like I said, I really love a good face mask. And yeah, honestly, I am quite happy. I would recommend. It's just a fun treat for just £10. So I do have also a coupon code for you guys. I think it's just a link that you can click on, so I'll leave that in the description. And I really hope you like this video. Hopefully this one doesn't flop. If it will, then I'll know not to make these videos anymore. But I decided to give it a go because I really like to watch them, and it was quite fun to receive all this product, not gonna lie. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, be sure to give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm gonna be posting a new video every Friday and a music one, like a cover, every Tuesday. Also, tell me in the comments below if you already tried Roccabox, what do you think about it, and what video would you like to see next. And other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!